Quicr, Quantum Implant Cementer. Here's how it works. You'll see just how quick it is. Step 1. Take part B and screw into part A so it is fully seated. Step 2. Place the tie base abutment on the assembled part AB and treat tie base abutment and crown. Step 3. Mix cement and place on tie base abutment. Step 4. Place crown on tie base abutment. Step 5. Place part C onto part AB and screw down onto crown until crown is held snugly in place. Step 6. Clean off excess cement and visually inspect the seal to verify it's perfect. Then, set it down and just walk away. Works first time, every time. Don't do it the old way when you can do it the Quicr way. With Quicr, Quantum Implant Cementer. Because it's quicker.